Good morning, students. How are you? Did you enjoy the holidays? First of all, introduce myself. Okay, my name is Bibla. I'm a associate teacher. I handle the 10th standard geography and economics. Okay. How many continents in the world? All of you know. Okay. How many continents in the world? 7 continents. Okay. Which is the largest continent? Asia. Asia is the largest continent. Which is our country? India. India is a country. India located in which continent? Asia continent. Okay. How many countries in Asia continent? There are 48 countries in Asia continent. Let us learn about India, location, relief and drainage. What is the meaning of location? Places of existence. Okay. Irupidam. The relief means different types of landforms. Drainage means a system of artificial or natural drain. Firstly, introduction about this lesson. India is the 7th largest country in the world. Okay, which is the first largest country in the world? Anybody know? Russia. Okay, Russia is the first largest country in the world, and second largest country, Asia continent. Then it forms a part of South Asia. It forms a part of South Asia and it's separated by the Himalayas. Himalayan located in which place? Northern side. Okay, separated from Himalayan mountain from the rest of the continent. India accounts for about 2.4% of the total area of the world. The area of 32,87,263 square kilometer. World is total land area 32,87,263 square kilometer. India's total area percentage 2.4%. Next, India's land and water frontage 100 kilometers. 15,200 kilometer long frontage with Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. India's longest border with Bangladesh. India's longest border with Bangladesh 4,156 kilometers, while the shortest border with Afghanistan, 106 kilometers. 6,100 kilometers long coastline of India. Coastline, east coastal and west coastal. Okay, 6,100 long coastline on 3 sides of the country. 3 sides of the country by the Indian Ocean. The south side, Bay of Bengal in the eastern side, then Arabian Sea, west side. Okay. And the Bay of Bengal east, then the total length of the coastline. Firstly coastline 6,100. The total length of coastline including island. Okay, 2 islands, Andaman and Nicobar in Bay of Bengal, Lakshadweep in Arabian Sea. 7,516.6 kilometers including island. 7,516.6 kilometers. India and Sri Lanka are separated by Palk Strait. Okay, India and Sri Lanka separated by Palk Strait. Next, location and extents. Okay, India extends from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude and 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 east longitudes. Okay, you know the differentiate latitudes and longitudes. Latitude means the imaginary line which are drawn horizontally of east to west. Okay, the imaginary line which are drawn horizontally east to west, that is called latitude. Okay, latitude. latitude. Many imaginary lines passes through the earth 0 degree, that is equator. That is equator. That is equator. Okay, you know the meaning of latitudes? Latitude means the imaginary lines which are drawn horizontally. Okay. This is vertical, this is horizontal. Okay, horizontally line east to west. Then longitudes means the imaginary lines drawn vertically. The imaginary lines drawn vertically north pole to south pole. That is called longitudes. Okay. Firstly, the imaginary line drawn around the earth east to west. That is latitudes. Okay. Then longitudes, the imaginary line drawn around the earth north pole to south pole. That is called longitudes. The southernmost point of the country is Pygmalion Point or Indra Point. Okay, this is Indra Point. Okay, Pygmalion Point or Indra Point, 6 degree 45 north latitudes. Okay, 6 degree 45 north latitudes located in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, Indra Point located in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Then the southernmost point of mainland. Which is the southernmost point of mainland? Kanyakumari. Okay, southernmost point of mainland Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari southern is called Cape Comorin. Okay, Kanyakumari southern is called Cape Comorin. Then north-south extents of India. North to south extends to India 3,240 kilometers. North to south extends in India 3,240 kilometers and extend from India, Jammu and Kashmir in the north, Kanyakumari in the south. Okay, Jammu and Kashmir in the north, then Kanyakumari in the south. The next, the east-west extension. East-west extension. Okay, the east-west extension is 2,933 kilometers. 2,933 kilometers. And from Rana Kutch. Okay, here Rana Kutch. Okay.